But one of the most amazing birds in the world is the Eclectus parrot, because it breaks virtually every rule in the evolutionary rulebook. The male is green and the female red. So strikingly different are they that for a long time people thought that the two must be separate species. Last 8 years, Rob has studied the female and all her chicks that live in this hollow. He measures and marks each one and monitors their growth. This doesn't seem to upset the chicks or stop their mother from nurturing them.
Our number one female, a star performer. She's just done what she typically does. She just produces healthy little guys like this and get a very good start for their long life in the rainforest.
A good hollow is hard to find, and the female guards hers fiercely.
We've spent a lot of time just watching her at the nest hollow. We built hides in neighbouring trees, and we spent a lot of time in the treetops. And we just watched the female's behaviour.
Rob's favorite female is not taking any chances with her hollow, and doesn't budge for the entire 9-month breeding season. She is totally reliant on the male to bring her food.
A bit like Meals on Wheels. She's acting like an invalid, staying at home. The males are out there doing all of the work, coming and going all day long, purely for the right to regurgitate some food to her. And of course, they're hoping to get sex in return.
But this female wasn't just being attended by one male, she was getting lots of attention. In fact, 7 males were lining up to feed her. And she was mating with all of them.